Welcome to the Integrato QuickBytes series, where we cover Business Central and Microsoft 365 how-tos, tips, and new features in less than 5 minutes. I'm your host, Lamont Broomfield, an Associate Functional Consultant here at Integrato, a direct Microsoft partner and cloud solutions provider. Today we are covering a hot new feature in Business Central, customizing pages using the Customize Profile feature. As you know, in the past, when a field that was on a table but was not readily available through personalization on the page was needed, we would have to reach out to a developer to unhide that field and expose it. However, that is not necessary anymore. With the most recent update, Business Central will allow you to unhide and expose these fields, reducing development costs and empowering you to make changes in Business Central. So as you can see on my purchase lines page, everything that you see here is right out of the box. However, let's say I need to add a new field in here for reporting purposes. Let's say prepayment percentages, because we need to see on any of these purchase lines if there were a prepayment made and how much of a prepayment was made. So let's go ahead and go to personalize like we normally do, and let's see if we can find that field. So we open it up, and you see in the recommended fields that the prepayment percentage field is not there, or any prepayment fields for that matter. And that's kind of strange because it's the purchase line page. You would think that the purchase lines would be there, or it would have that access. So let's go ahead and click done. Close that out, and let's open up the page inspector because the prepayment information should be here somewhere. And sure enough, the prepayment percentage is a field that is available on this table. However, we're not able to personalize it and bring it out. So let's go ahead and take this a step further. We're going to use Tell Me. We're going to go over to our profiles. We're going to open up the profile list page, and we're going to open up the profile ID that matches the profile that we use currently. So let's go ahead and hit Customize Pages. And so now we see that we are on the customization screen. So it'll say Customizing Business Manager Evaluation over what it normally says, which is just Dynamics 365 Business Central. So now let's go ahead and navigate to the purchase line page. And we're going to go ahead and hit the plus. And as you can see here, all the fields that are associated with this table are all going to be here for us to choose. So let's go ahead and hit the magnifying glass. And we're going to select a prepayment percentage, and let's drag it over right here in between number and description. So you'll know that it has successfully added the field when it says field successfully added. We're going to hit OK, and we're going to hit done. So once you hit done, the customization will roll through, and now all we'll have to do is on this tab, we just have to refresh. So that way Business Central can refresh all those changes and add that field on there. And voila, your new customized field is on there, and you didn't have to go to a developer and have them expose this field. You didn't have to do anything complicated or crazy. It's really easy, really simple, and it is very empowering, and it puts the power back in your hands. Now, one thing I do want to note about this is if you go and you change your profile, what will happen is it's going to change the view of these pages. So you're not going to see the customizations that were available for the business manager evaluation role or profile because we're in a new role. If there is a security risk or just a separations of duties that need to happen here inside of Business Central for you to go ahead and separate out, you can separate them by their roles, and you can create custom roles as well to help enable this security feature for you. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to get more Business Central tips, how-tos, and updates on new features, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell to turn on notifications. For more information regarding Integrato or to get training or support, please visit integratotech.com and check out the links below.